Alright, today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4. Okay, it's got 11,000 miles on it. Bright white clear coat and paint color. Okay, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. Alright, still got factory warranty. Alright, 11,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the lock unlock buttons here on the door handle. Driver's side of the Jeep's in great shape. Does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. Alright, once again, it is a four-wheel drive. Okay, make our way down the passenger side. Got your lock unlock button on the door handles here on the passenger door. Exterior of this Grand Cherokee is in fantastic shape. It's a 2018, still has factory warranty, 11,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright. It does have black suede perforated inserts here, but the trim is leather. Okay, it's a power driver's seat. Alright, driver's seat's in fantastic shape. Does come with two keyless entry key fobs. Okay, got your remote start on there. Power lift gate. Passenger seat's the same way, got the nice suede inserts, leather trim. Alright, it is an automatic. And up under here you've got USB ports, auxiliary port, and a power outlet. Dual climate controls. Okay, it's got backup camera, navigation. Your radio display will be right here, and we'll show you all that in a second. Push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You got your cruise control here. Steering wheel audio controls are on the back of the steering wheel, and then your Bluetooth is right here. Okay, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 11,599 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your radio display. All right, you got all your different apps down here. All right, all your different selections. We'll just click on apps. Okay, here's all your apps. All right, then you can click on controls. Got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, and then you can simply click on navigation here, view map, and there's your navigation. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Okay, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, then we got the dual climate controls. We got it all lit up here. Okay, and then once again under here, we got your auxiliary USB ports and whatnot. Alright. Then up here, I want to show you this one thing before we look in the back seat. You got your universal remotes right here, okay? And then you got your power lift gate button right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. All right, and I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the passenger side over here. I'm gonna open up that door. Let some more of this light in there so you can see exactly what I'm describing. Alright, carpet back here nice and clean. Got another power outlet here. Okay, but as you can see, got that nice perforated suede insert. The leather trim. Okay, but the back seat is in phenomenal shape. Leather's really nice. No wrinkles even in the leather. Doesn't even look like anybody's even sat back here. I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the back. Got the power lift gate. Simply press the button up under the handle there. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Got your spare tire and jack under there. Okay. Power outlet here. And you simply just press that button there. Nice and smooth coming back down. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys. Okay, got the nice gray trim inside there. Tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, got a little bit of an aggressive tread on there. Alright, once again, 2018, 11,000 miles, four-wheel drive. Okay, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. This thing still has factory warranty. You got to come down, check this one out. It's a 2018, 11,000 miles. Come down, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.